How to put video in text on CapCut Mobile. So if you want to put video in text on CapCut Mobile, then first you need to open up your CapCut application. Once you open up your CapCut, now you need to go with New Project. Once you tap on New Project, select a video. Once you've selected, go with Add, which is on the bottom right. So in my case, I'm selecting a blank video of 5 to 6 seconds. And what you need to do is you just need to simply enter a text. For example, you can simply go with text, which is on the bottom, and here tap on add text, and you need to enter the text. So I'll be writing demo. Once you've written that, now you can simply go with the writing or the font style. Once you go with the font style, now you can simply go with the styles. You can add some styles. Size, I'll be choosing the largest size, and after that go with animations. And under animations, you can simply choose an animation which is zoom out or zoom in. I'll just choose pop down effect, or you can simply choose any effect that you're comfortable with. So I've chosen zoom in, and after that you can simply go with the tick, which is on the upper right, and you can simply choose the ratio. So I'm choosing 4:3 ratio. Go with the tick, and once you've resized, now you can enlarge the text. Now, once you've added the text, what you need to do is just go with export, which is on the upper right, and wait and after that it will start exporting. Once you exported, now you just need to simply go with done, which is on the upper right, and you need to again go with a new project, and now you need to select the video with the text and the background to that video, and after that go with add, which is on the bottom right. Now once you've added both of those, now you need to simply select the first video and then go to the bottom, and here you will have an option of overlay. Simply tap on overlay and it will bring to the bottom. Now what you need to do is just adjust the bottom overlay video. Once you've adjusted, now select the video with the text, and on the bottom you will have splice option or blend option. It's the same thing. You need to simply tap on it, and you need to choose darken and tap on the tick, which is on the bottom right. And if you play the video, you can see the video is behind the text. So that's how you can put the video in text on CapCut Mobile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.